The most intimate friend of endoplasmic reticulum is the Golgi complex. It has an immense role in chemical modification, packaging, and sorting of proteins that are shuttled to it from the endoplasmic reticulum. Italian biologist Camillo Golgi described this structure in 1898. He reported that nerve cells soaked in osmium tetroxide showed a heavy metal deposit in a thread-like network surrounding the nucleus. The Golgi complex consists of a series of flattened membrane-bounded cisternae, disc-shaped sacs that are stacked together. This is called Golgi stack. The number of Golgi stack and the size of the Golgi vary with cell type and with the metabolic activity of the cell. Cells which are active in secretion have hundreds or even thousands of Golgi stacks. On the other hand, a cell may have a single large Golgi stack. Again, the intracisternal spaces, means the spaces within the cisternae of the Golgi complex, are part of the network of internal spaces of the endomembrane system. We have learned about the endomembrane system in our class on endoplasmic reticulum. One of the most remarkable features of Golgi apparatus is that its structure is extremely dynamic and active. A Golgi stack is surrounded by numerous vesicles that shuttle proteins from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi, between the cisternae of the Golgi stack, and from the Golgi to various destinations in the cell. The edges of Golgi apparatus are enlarged and filled with granular material which consists of mostly glycosylated proteins that are moving to, from and within the cisternae by means of vesicles that bud off and fuse with the edges of the cisternae. Here we will know about the coated vesicles. First of all, let us have a picture of the Golgi apparatus. Here is the picture. Here we can see that there are two faces of the Golgi apparatus, the cis face and the trans face. Now, maturing or the trans face and the cis face. The cis face generally here forming or the cis face, it is close towards the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, we should know about the coated vesicles. What are coated vesicles? The vesicles involved in protein transfer between the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi and related organelles are characterized by the presence on the surface of a coat or layer of bristle-like polyhedral protein lattice. Main protein in the lattice is either clathrin or coatomer depending upon the function of the vesicle. These vesicles are coated vesicles. This structure are actively engaged in the process of endocytosis. There are two distinct sides or faces of the Golgi stack, as we have seen in the picture. The cis face, which is oriented towards the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the trans face, from where the vesicles bud off the tips of the cisternae and so continuously they're carrying processed proteins. They carry processed proteins to the various destinations. What happens in the cis phase then? Transition vesicles containing newly synthesized proteins arrive continually from the endoplasmic reticulum at the cis phase. Between the two phases are the medial cisternae. Much of the processing of the proteins occur here. Traffic between successive cisternae of the Golgi stack is achieved by shuttle vesicles. These vesicles bud off one cisterna and fuse with another. Cisterna is the singular form, cisternae plural. Usually the next cisterna in the cis to trans sequence. Some endoplasmic reticulum protein may inadvertently pass from the endoplasmic reticulum to the cis face of a nearby Golgi stack. A back traffic therefore occurs to facilitate return of endoplasmic reticulum specific proteins. The cis and the trans phase are different both functionally and structure biochemically. For example, the receptor protein for mannose 6-phosphate is concentrated on the cis phase of each Golgi stack. This is because mannose 6-phosphate is added to endoplasmic reticulum proteins so that Golgi can identify them and send them to the lysosome. Coated vesicles of the two phases also vary. Vesicles budding off from the trans cisternae are clathrin coated, whereas vesicles budding off from the endoplasmic reticulum or the cis or medial cisternae of the Golgi stack are cotomer coated. So, if I now ask, what do cotomer coated vesicles do? They shuttle proteins between the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi cisternae. And what do clathrin coated vesicles do? They mediate the transport of proteins destined for secretory vesicles, lysosomes, or plasma membrane.